Panchkarma therapies are powerful, but today they face manual scheduling, inconsistent quality, and lack of digital support. Our prototype Ayusutra solves all this. We have 4 panels starting off with patient. The first we have the user profile, which will have the upcoming session detail and their personal information. The medical profile, it will have their recent Ayurvedic assessment, emergency contact details. Therapy progress. Over here, therapies can be overall treatment progress, treatment phases, the ones which are done, ongoing, and about to be done on later. Next session details. This will also be sent to them through SMS. They can reschedule and view those details. Auto schedule. Over here, the scheduling can be done. They have the recommended therapy sessions which they can book, upcoming session details which they can confirm or reschedule, and their preferences for the next sessions which are about to be scheduled. Therapy alerts. Over here, the alerts will be sent to them. These alerts will be sent to them through SMSs. And over here they can accept or dismiss those if they have done or not done. The feedback. Over here, post-session feedback will be given. They can select their ratings, feedback history. Here, all the feedbacks which are given by the doctor, they can view them, the comments, the prescriptions, and everything, and the patient progress. Health analytics. Overall analytics, the recovery progress, wellness trends, and the recent session impacts. Messaging. We have the messaging feature with the doctor. They can also schedule video calls which can be scheduled on any specific date and times. And do video chat features allows for video chatting. And an AI chatbot where they can ask for suggestion related to their treatments. We have the doctor's panel. Starting will be the doctor's details, their schedule for the day, and their month performance. We have patient record analytics. Here the graph will be generated upon our model, the treatment program distribution, the active patient records. Therapy progress track. They can check the individual patient's therapy, the steps done and the ones left. They can also schedule appointment. They have therapy planner. The therapies can be planned based on their treatment. Feedback review. Here they can review their feedbacks. They can even edit their replies. The AI suggested treatment and medicines will be given. Here the reply will be edited. And the messaging features where they can message their individual patients, the video call feature. Next up, we have the clinics panel, which will be managing the patient and the practitioner. First, the facility status. Then we have the practitioner credentials. They can verify those credentials from here. Then we have session management. The sessions which are active, the rooms which are occupied, and their availability will be given here. And the clinic's insights. Their details in a graphical format, their monthly revenue, and can also be exported through CSV file. Next up, we have the admins panel, which will act as a system administrator. It can verify the clinics. Here the details can be seen. The certifications can be viewed. They might approve or deny and verify the compliances. Then we have the clinic performance. Here the clinic performance can be seen, the overview, doctor details, patient details, and the overall reviews. We have site analytics, which will also have all the analytics of the site, the traffic involved, number of users, the performances, and even this can be imported through CSV. We have last month, quarterly, yearly.
Now seen how each panel functions on its own. What truly matters is how these panels integrate into a single trustworthy platform. At the time of registration, doctors and clinics will be required to upload their documents for verification, and only after approval, access will be granted. While the current prototype works with static data, the complete model will incorporate real-time session feedback, doctor reviews, and progress analytics to refine therapy outcomes continuously. To conclude, Ayursutra is designed to make Panchkarma therapy more structured and reliable through automated scheduling, personalized alerts, progress dashboards, and multilingual support. By combining credential verification with secure health records, it not only streamlines care but also strengthens trust and accountability for both patient and practitioner. Thank you.